we have Nimblewill growing in our lawn. What can kill it without harming our tall fescue? And this is David in Florence, Kentucky. All right, so Nimblewill we know can be a problem.
Yeah.
It resembles Bermuda.
Like Bermuda grass, yeah. Almost look like it. Yeah.
Almost look like it a little bit. Poor man's Bermuda is what I call it.
Yeah, like the first thing you said though, the really good
Right.
thick turf in there. That's one of the things that you can do. Now you might use some chemical in there. You don't try chemical herbicide in there to kill it, but I don't know what
Yeah,
you mean.
my thing is, I always like to start with cultural practices first.
Yeah.
All right, so nimbleweed grows by seed and by stolons.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to try to fill in space.
Okay.
Right. So the thing with that is you need a good dense stand of grass. So make sure you have the appropriate grass species for that area.
For the area, that's right. That's one of the things you need to do. Yeah.
Mow at the correct height.
Correct height.
Fertilize according to your soil test.
Soil test.
Okay. Now, if you want to remove it, it's a couple of different things here. You can rake it out.
Okay then.
All right. You can either rake it out or you can dig it out.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if we're talking about chemicals, there's a couple of different routes we can go.
Okay.
Pre-emerge.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Dithiopyr is something you can use. Pendimethalin. All right. It's a pre-emerge. But since it's already there, we're going to be looking at a
post-emerge. Okay.
Emerge, right? And we're talking about a post-emerge in tall fescue.
Okay then.
So the only thing that's labeled that the homeowner can get is called Tenacity.
Tenacity. Okay then.
Right.
Okay.
So it's Tenacity. Read and follow the label.
You got to read and follow the label in there, yeah.
Right. So if you're going to go the post-emerge route, it's Tenacity, but I want you to read and follow the label.
You got to follow that label direction on that, because that's the law.
Yeah.
They stand behind the law and everything, so you need to do that.
Right. And again, it will remove nimbleweed from fescue.
It was okay then.
Okay, but you just got to make sure that you read the label on that. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.